Agile CRM is a comprehensive customer relationship management tool designed to streamline sales, marketing, and service processes. Here's a brief guide on how to use it effectively. Set up your account. Sign up and log into your Agile CRM account. Complete your company profile and import existing contacts from spreadsheets, other CRMs, or manually add them. Contact management. Organize and segment your contacts using tags and lists. Use the 360-degree contact view to see detailed information about each contact, including interactions, social media profiles, and activity history. Sales automation. Create deals and track them through customizable sales pipelines. Automate repetitive tasks like follow-ups, task assignments, and deal updates using workflows. Use the calendar to schedule meetings, calls, and tasks. Marketing automation. Design email campaigns with a drag-and-drop email builder. Set up multi-step marketing campaigns with triggers, actions, and conditions using the campaign builder. Track email opens, clicks, and other engagement metrics. Service automation. Manage customer support tickets and track their status. Use the help desk features to streamline support processes and ensure timely responses. Create a knowledge base to provide self-service options for customers. Analytics and reporting. Generate reports to monitor sales, marketing, and service performance. Use dashboards to get real-time insights and track key metrics. Integrations. Connect Agile CRM with other tools you use, such as email services, social media platforms, and productivity apps to enhance its functionality.